Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Localsend on Windows. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up a web browser, just like this. Now just go ahead over to localsend.org. Again, localsend.org, hit on enter. And once done, click on download right here. If you want to use the web version, just make sure that you use the web version as well on the other device. Alright, so click on download. Now make sure that Windows is selected right here, and then go ahead and download the exe installer. Download. Save it on your desktop or wherever you want. And then once done, just click on it to open up the installer. Install for all users or for you only. So for me, okay, next, yes right here. Create a desktop shortcut. Next, install. And just wait for it. Once done, just click on finish and it will open up automatically. And as you can see here we have the Localsend shortcut. Here's the setup. You can now go ahead and delete this one. Delete. And after that, you're now good to go to use Localsend. That's how simple it is to download Localsend on Windows. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.